Welcome back, guys. Now, as you can see that Ubuntu is the setup of Ubuntu is running. Now, forward it and select your location. I am in Pakistan, so Pakistan. It's okay. Forward. Forward. Is showing the hard drive which we made 8.6 GB. Forward, we're going to install Ubuntu on this hard drive. Now you can fill out the details, the name, display password simple, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sorry. Of the computer, so it will be SD'eez desktop. Now you can either you can give your username and password every time, or you can log in automatically. So forward. That's the 8 characters. Okay, continue. I don't want to make my password back. Now hit the install button. Now sit back and relax, because it will take some amount of time, maybe 15 to an hour, depending upon the speed of your computer. It's still installing, and 82% completed. So now the installation has been completed, so hit the restart now button. Now here you need to change a certain setting. So you need to change the setting that every time the computer boots up, it will boot up on your CD or DVD device. So you need to choose host drive, whatever the drive letter is in your computer. So choose this option, and now machine, hit the reset button. As it is going to run for the first time, so this time it maybe it have some delay in the start, as we are experiencing here. Now the first icon here is it is representing your hard disk. The second one is your CD or DVD-ROM. The third one is USB, and the fourth one is networks. So here we are, and we have finally installed the Ubuntu 9.04 successfully, and here you can see that we have all features of Ubuntu. The update manager is running for the first time. It is going to update all the necessary components of this operating system. For the first time you have to click install updates button, but it is going to download some 203.4 megabyte file. Enter the password, which is your current user's password here. Mine is 123456. It is a full-fledged operating system, so we can also use other applications of it, for example Firefox. Now the benefit of having virtual machine is that I am having both the Windows XP running in my background and the Ubuntu, the Linux operating system. So I can interchange any, for example, if I'm reading a book on my XP machine, I can easily read it, and at the same time I am updating my Ubuntu operating system. So it's really cool. And here I'm also having one Firefox in Ubuntu and the other Firefox in Windows XP machine. So this is it, and it may take an hour or so to update all the components of this operating system. And one important thing is that for example you want to plug in your USB drive, and you want your USB drive to be in the Linux environment. So it's way easy. In this case, I need to right now I need to stop this update, and it will take some time. So the process has been closed, but you do not need to close that process. Let it be completed. In my case, I just wanted to show you that how you can plug in your USB drive, and it will be detected by this Ubuntu. That's why I've closed that update system. Now I'm going to plug in my flash drive. As you can see that my flash drive icon is directly put into my taskbar. Now I need to shut down this operating system. Now these are all properties of the resources of our computer. So click the USB to open the properties of this drive, this tab, and enable USB to this one option. Hit OK. And let me also tell you that it is this window is showing the properties of our computer, of our virtual machine: name, general name, operating system type, system, display, storage. And you do not need to have video memory this much. In my case, I just put it 64 MB, but you do not need to extend your video memory up to 64 megabyte. I just did it because I do need to work in Linux environment, so I do not want any flicker around. That's why I've chosen 64 megabytes of memory. I've got a 512 MB card, so it's not a big deal for this kind of display. And in the next very tab, it's storage, that which type of storage is given to this virtual machine, ID, controller, and this and that. Audio, network is how you connect to internet, and all you can connect and browse all your internet which you can browse in your Windows or any other environment. So now again start the machine, and you can have multiple operating systems. For example, I am having this Ubuntu. You can Ubuntu 9.04. I am having Ubuntu 9.04. You can have Ubuntu 9.10 or Ubuntu 10.10 or so.